What is up, wanderers? We have a couple of pair of sunglasses we're trying out today from OHO Sunshine. Okay. Both boxes say 03, but they're not both the same. These are the camera glasses from OHO Sunshine. Have not tried them out yet, but they've got a camera right there. Should be 4K. They come with the instructions and instructions on how to use the translation service. So you can have someone in front of you speaking French, and you can use the translation service through the earpiece on the glasses through your phone, and you can translate. I just use French as an example. There's tons of different languages. Check that out if you're interested. Also comes with a USB cable, of course, USB to USB-C, and an adapter, and dark lenses if you want to turn them into shades. Cool. And of course, if it gets dirty, you got to use that, right? We're gonna go outside, walk around for a few minutes, check out the 4K footage, and I'll insert it right about here. Alright, so we just sat down here after reviewing the OHO glasses, and they were the camera glasses, the 4K camera glasses, smart glasses, if you will. They're okay. I mean, as you guys can see, the footage is a little kind of herky-jerky, and I was being really careful, too, to not, like, whip my head around really fast. I was trying to go kind of slow, side to side, walk around the RV a little bit, look at the campground, look at the trees, look up in the sky. If you're just still on an image and you just kind of like don't move, it's decent. Transition from sun to shade, shade back to sun, not great. When I was watching the footage back, it kind of made me a little nauseated because it's really herky and it's kind of hard to watch. It's okay, the quality is good, but it's hard because you're used to some motion blur and things like that when you're looking at TV or videos, and it's just like boom, 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 and it kind of makes you like, whoa, wait a minute. If you're just kind of like maybe indoors, or you want to like film a conversation or do something that doesn't require a lot of head motion, I think that's where these would probably shine, as long as there was plenty of light. They don't do well in low lit areas because I was filming them in the RV when it was kind of lowly lit and it's very, very dark. So you really need to be outdoors with these glasses or somewhere that is very well lit. Like these would be good in like a Costco or something if you wanted to look at an item and make a little video about it or something like that. But like riding e-bikes or skateboards or snowboards, it would be really herky-jerky, and I don't think that would be good for a viewer experience. And this is the model name and number of the AI smart glasses. So that's the review of these guys, the camera glasses from OHO Sunshine. Now, let's look at these Bluetooth glasses. Fancy carrying case, ooh la la. Again, you got a USB cord and some literature, and a nice soft carrying case as well. Oh, these look a bit different. They're kind of smoky. They go from like a black to gray to white. Interesting. These fit the head a little bit tighter. The Bluetooth speakers, though, in the swing arms are actually pretty decent. I will tell you, though, that if you are listening to these somewhere like in the airport or somewhere you're close to people, they can hear the music that's coming out, or whatever you're listening to, podcast or what have you, or a phone call conversation. They can hear that coming from the speakers, so make sure you are careful about your volume, and or you're not in earshot of people. It's not too bad though if you want to stroll along the beach or take a jog and you don't like wearing earbuds, or they fall out of your ears really easily like they do mine. This could be an option for you. It didn't come with the dark lenses to put in there because I think these may be transitional, and we'll cover that on my second review. But yeah, I would recommend these for People that have a normal size head, because my head's a little big, these are a little tight. If a normal pair of glasses fit on your skull pretty comfortably, these would too. The sound quality is pretty decent coming through, and they seem pretty durable actually. Construction is not bad. It seems well made. Good job, OHO. We'll see you for review number 2 when we try out the transition aspect of these. If you're interested, this is the model name and number of the Bluetooth glasses.